Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. We're going to do another little cool thing here. I'm going to change this program completely. I'm going to put in line 6. Input A and then shift it for $sign. And then we're going to change line 10 to print quote. And I think maybe we'll go for control green quote semicolon and then A $sign colon go to 10. Oop, 10. So what this allows us to do, if I have done this right, and I think I have, when I type in run, the screen is going to clear, and then it's going to put up a question mark. Now, I could put something that says, hey, this is what you want. But anyway, I'm going to just put in David, David Bradley. And then when I hit enter, look at that. It's going to print my name in green over and 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 over. And when I press stop, I can list and I can say, oh, look at that. Now I think yes, I did mean to put a semicolon in here. So let's put in run. I'm going to put in David Bradley. And there. Now, it looks cool, but I should have probably put in another space. I should have put in after the semicolon. Right now I'm pressing shift and insert delete. And I'm going to do that 4 times in front of the quote, space, a quote, a semicolon. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to type run. And then I'm going to put in David Bradley. And that, maybe it doesn't look as neat as it did, but still, these are ways you can play with your name and tinker around and learn and explore your Commodore 64. You can. And the $sign means it's an alphanumeric thing. If you were to put in, say I put in input A, then it would want a number. But we'll see if we do a little bit of that in the next video. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.